Hello students, till now we all have learned the addition without carrying with carrying, right? Means carrying means you are simply regrouping the numbers. ठीक है. After doing the addition, simple addition with grouping without regrouping, we came to word problems. My previous video was related to the word problems in which you needed to write the solution statement and the final, that is the therefore statement. Without the statements and the therefore statement, your solution for the word problem will be taken as to be incomplete. Now in today's video, we will be continuing with the next part of the addition, that is, if we know how to add, then we can simply try to understand how to estimate the sum. And here we are coming to again the new word sum. What is sum? Sum is simply the result of the addition, right? So let's understand with a few examples through questions also. Well, these are the questions from the book of the exercise. So let's understand from the first question. Round off to the nearest 1000. Nearest 1000 means you have just been knowing that अगर कोई भी quantity 5 या 5 से बड़ी होती है, then it simply rounds off to the next number, bigger number, right? So let's understand. You have been understanding, it's a kind of revision that we are taking, right? In the first question you are seeing that it's written 8312. Now you have to round off to the nearest 1000. So what we will do, we will simply see see the, it is asking for the nearest 1000, so we will be seeing the next right side place value, that is the hundreds place value. And in the hundreds place value, what's written? 3. So now you have to ask the question whether 3 is more than 5 or not. Then the answer comes that no, 3 is not more than 5. So this very place value of 1000 remains the same. Means you will simply copy 8 here and the next 3 digits will be replaced with 0. So if you have been asked that 8312, you have to round off to the nearest 1000. So answer would be 8312 is nearest, its nearest 1000 is 8000. Why? It's been written because 300 is less than 500. I've written the full quantity, or either you can simply say that 3 at the place value of 100 is less than 5, right? Coming to the next example, 12,605. Again you have to round off to the nearest 1000. Again you will be seeing the hundreds place value. Ones, tens, 100 means you'll be seeing 6 and ask, is 6 more than 5? Answer comes that yes, 6 is more than 5. Therefore, the 1000 place value, that is 2, will be increased by 1, and this 2 becomes 3, and finally you will copy 1, 3, and these 3 digits will be replaced by zeros. And the reason has been mentioned here why 12,605 is changed to 13,000, because 600 means the place value of hundreds, that is 6, is more than 5 or 500. Okay, coming to the next, first we have dealt with nearest 1000. Now we will be dealing with nearest 10,000. Again the same property will be used, but with a different mindset, that 23,809. Again you have been asked for the nearest 10,000, so you will be seeing the right side place value, that is you will be seeing the 8, sorry, you'll be seeing the 3, that is thousands place value. Okay, so here 23,809 means you have to change the value of 2 place value, or here of 7 place value. So you have to see the place value of 1000, that is 3. Now as is 3 more than 5? Answer comes as no. So you will be copying 2 as it is because it will not get changed, and further the 3 place values will be changed with 0. Okay, again with 78,114, you'll be having 70,000 as it is, but you are seeing that thousands place 8 is more than 5, so you'll be writing here 7 will be changed with 8. It will be increased by 1 because here 8 is more than 5. Yes, correct. Therefore, 78,114 will be changed to 80,000. Okay. Coming to further question, which simply says that you have to find the actual sum and the estimated sum. So in this, it has been mentioned that find the actual and estimated sum by rounding off to the nearest thousands, right? The nearest thousand has been mentioned, so you will be seeing which value? See hundreds place value. Okay, so here you have been given as 3,281 and 4 plus 4,930. So you have to change it to the thousands place value, right? So you will be seeing the hundreds place value. And here, so let's do the sum. Solve it. 1 plus 0 gives us 1. 8 plus 3 gives us 11. Good. 1 will be put and 1 will be carried here. Just try to remember the carry one. Okay, we'll not be writing every time because now we are in the bigger standard. Okay, so 2 plus 9 gives us 11 and 1 that was carried gives us 12. So 2 is put and again 1 is carried. 1 plus 3, 4 and 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, 8,211 it becomes as the answer. So now it has been asked that you have to round off to the nearest thousand. So let's first round off the first value that is given 3,281. See the hundreds place value. It is 2. Now ask, is 2 bigger than 5? No. So 3 will be as it is put here in under the estimated value, and the rest 3 digits will be changed with 3 zeros. Again come this side, 4,930. Here again you have to round up to the nearest thousand. So see the 9, that is hundreds place value. Here it is written 9. Now ask, is 9 more than 5 or less than 5? It is more than 5. Good. So what will happen? This 4 will be increased by 1. So here 5 will be put and the 3 digits will be changed with or substituted with 3 zeros. Okay. Now add this. Don't convert this value to this. Rather just add the number which is written under the estimated ones. Here you gives as, it comes as 3 zeros and 3 plus 5 gives you 8. Now just compare whether the two answers are almost similar according to the concept or not. Here 8,211 was the answer. Can 8,211 be written as 8,000 when we round off to the nearest thousand? Yes. Why? Because when you have to round off to the nearest thousand, you will be seeing the hundreds quantity, hundreds place value. Here it's written 2. 2 is less than 5, means 8 will be written as it is and the next 3 digits will be changed or substituted by 3 zeros. Okay, the next B part has been written for you. You will be seeing it and trying to understand that whether the things has been done properly and correctly or not. Here 18,000 quantity has been given, but again you have to change it to the nearest thousand. Try to understand by yourself and think whether 18,312 can be written as 18,000, 24,109 can it be written as 24,000, and whether the answer, the actual sum 42,421 can be written as 42,000 in the estimated sum or not. This very B part has been solved, but it is you to think. Okay, so think, try to understand. We'll be continuing into the next lecture. We'll be continuing with the further rounding off to the nearest 10,000, and then we'll be continuing with framing of the story, in which you'll be reading out the problem and you'll be framing the question that if the answer is like this, then what could be the word problem of it. Till then, keep studying, be at home, be safe. Thank you.